Hey there, I'm Alexander from René of Paris. Today I'm going to do my colour of the month with you guys, and I'm going to showcase my colour of the month in this gorgeous long layered style called Nolan. But let's move on from Nolan and let's talk about this colour. I love marble brown, guys. I think it's amazing. I've been using marble brown in wigs for 25 years on customers. And a lot of the questions were going was like, I'd like marble brown with a bit of a root. So we did it. So this is marble brown R. So let me show you. So I'll take Nolan off the head a little bit and show you. So it's a beautiful transition from that root. Can you see? Very, very kind of natural kind of regrowth. It's not a kind of a heavy kind of step from dark to the highlights. Blends in beautifully. And to look at these low lights that are in here and highlights, and just look at that blend of colour. That is really hard to do and to weave that like that. Although it's not an extreme colour, it's done to perfection. And Marble Brown R is my colour of the month. I think it's absolutely stunning. What do you guys think? I love it. And even with this style, looking at those highlights, how they're going around the face, you imagine those lights are really going to give the face a bit of a lift with still keeping that kind of brunette kind of core to the style, and with it having the R, it gives that definition at the root that really shows you what a lovely brunette with highlights and lowlights this is. So my colour of the month today is Marble Brown R, and I showcase this in the style Nolan. But for now, thank you for tuning in. I'm Alexander Turnbull. You are with René of Paris. Remember to follow us on all forms of social media. And if you are interested in Marble Brown R and you'd like to know what other styles this goes in, please have a look at the website and it will show you everything we have. See you later. Bye bye. Thank you.